Does your Roborock S5 MAX wheel look like this? Then it definitely needs a wheel rubber replacement. It's a classic issue. That bald, shiny tire might look aerodynamic, but it's actually the reason your robot is failing. The Roborock S5 MAX is a workhorse, but eventually, the factory rubber degrades and smooths out, losing all its tread. Think of it like trying to run a marathon on ice. Without grip, your robot faces serious traction issues. It will spin its wheels helplessly against carpet edges, fail to climb thresholds, and won't even be able to push itself onto the charging dock. Ignoring this leads to constant error messages and a dirty house. We totally get it. You see a problem, you want to fix it. The internet is full of quick hacks, and the satisfaction of a successful home repair is real. You might be thinking,
"It's just a piece of rubber. How hard can it be?"
However, beneath the sleek exterior of your Roborock S5 MAX lies a complex ecosystem of sensors, high-torque motors, and delicate plastic gears. When it comes to the change wheel rubber procedure, the DIY repair risks are much higher than they appear. But don't worry, RoboCare has the fix. At RoboCare, our technicians are true specialists in robot vacuum repair, with years of experience dedicated specifically to the Roborock ecosystem. We know the S5 MAX is a precision machine, and we understand that treating it roughly during a repair can lead to stripped gears and broken motors. We utilize specialized disassembly tools to safely access the wheel hub without putting stress on the delicate internal assembly. Once accessed, we replace those bald tires with genuine components. We ensure every millimeter of the tread is seated perfectly to restore optimal navigation. But don't just take our word for it. Let's show you the results. And look at the difference. With fresh rubber installed by our pros, the grip is back. It climbs thresholds like a champion and navigates with precision. This Roborock S5 MAX is back to full cleaning power. Ready to get your robot back on track? Contact RoboCare today for expert repairs on all brands. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.